What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on a Roblox application on your iPhone or Android device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first let's find and launch a Roblox application, and once you are here on your home screen, on the very top position you see the friends option. You can tap on that big icon to be able to add there some friends. I got no friends in here, and now I need to find some people to add them as my friend. I can use search bar for that. This is search option. Here I can type in the exact name of a person or some name like that, for example, and now I got all the people that contain this keyword in the username. So I can scroll down, and if I need to add some person of this list, I can just tap here on add icon like that, and now this status of that invitation is pending, so that person need to confirm our friendship to make us friends. That's how it works. I hope this video helped you out, so let me know in the comments below that it's worked for you.